guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Leah, if you guys did not know already, and today I'm coming to you guys with a little quick advice, tips and tricks video about how to do YouTube off of your iPhone. So I wasn't going to do this video at first, but then I went on Instagram and I did a poll and I got 100% yeses that I should do this video. I didn't think it was necessary in, I guess, 2020 to do it, because I just started so many videos like this, but apparently some of you guys care about how I'ma kick it to you. So here we are doing the video. So I'm going to be giving you guys some tips and tricks on how to do YouTube off of your iPhone, some things that I've done. So every video that you guys have seen up until last month, December, when I did Vlogmas, have all been done on my iPhone. Every single last video since the beginning of time has been done on my iPhone. I never had a camera this entire time. So I'm gonna let y'all all the way in. You can talk about me if you want to, but I'm gonna talk about myself. So I damn near have an Android, okay? When it comes to me doing videos on an iPhone, it's not even a new iPhone, you guys. I have been using my iPhone I don't even want to say it, but my cracked iPhone 6 Plus. You see this? Who has a 6 anymore? I do. So yeah, I've been using this phone. This is my phone. I've been using this iPhone to do all of my videos. So I'm just gonna let you guys know some of the things that I do. I wrote a list. Hold on, let me get it. Okay, so first on the list, you're gonna need some determination. You're gonna need patience. You're gonna need determination, okay? Because sometimes from your iPhone can get very difficult if you begin to start YouTube. I know it's 2020. We all got these vision boards and shit about how we're gonna start YouTube and all that kind of stuff. Well, you don't have a camera, but you have a phone. You can definitely do it, but it does take a lot of dedication. It does take a lot of patience. So once you start, you will definitely understand what I mean when I say that. But you know, you're gonna run into some bumpy shit, but it's okay. You're gonna get over it. You're gonna keep doing your videos, and you're gonna blow up. You're gonna be rich, period. And so after you get your determination, and after you feel like, okay, I'm gonna do this, I want to do YouTube, boom, get my phone. You got it. You're gonna go to your settings, and then you're gonna go all the way down, and then you're gonna go to your camera, and then where it says record video, you're gonna click on that, and you want your record to either be on 1080p, sorry, I cannot speak, y'all, 1080p HD, or you want to be at 4K. I recommend 4K, but just my editing software, well, not my editing software, my computer couldn't handle 4K while I was editing. It just would do stupid things, so I just kept it at 1080 HD, which is still decent. 4K is the best though. So if you, especially if you have like a newer iPhone, I mean, I'm sure all of you have a newer iPhone, put it on 4K so you can get the best frames per second, which will be the best quality. Okay, so after you have your settings together, you're gonna boom, you're gonna set up, you're gonna record. I recommend you use your back camera. Now, if you're not comfortable using your back camera, because sometimes when I first started, I used only my back camera, but then once I got into it, I started using the front. But the back camera has the better camera than the front camera, and I think that's really for any phone. Now I'm old, so I don't know about the new stuff, but if you have an older model phone, the back camera is always the best. After you figure out which camera you're going to use, you want to make sure that you wipe your camera down each and every time you press record. I'm telling you, it makes a huge difference in the quality. You can like record a fuzzy video. I'm gonna show you. So this is me using my recording right now, and I have not wiped down my camera, right? Now look, when I wipe my camera, look how clear that is already. You definitely see a difference. So make sure that you are wiping down your camera, front or back, anytime you press record. It may be tedious to remember, but when you don't wipe it down versus you do when you're editing, you will definitely know the difference. So make sure you're wiping your camera down each and every time. And this goes for, you don't even have to be a YouTuber. If you're an Instagrammer, these are some good tips for you too. If you're an Instagrammer, or if you have a business and you want to incorporate like video promotion, listen up, because these are some okay, next tip. I see this mistake made a lot of times when I see a lot of newer YouTubers using their phone. You never want to record your videos like this. This is incorrect. You always want to flip your phone horizontally. I know that that may seem like it's common sense, but if you don't know, it's okay. You just don't know. But I see a lot of people that are starting YouTube, and if you click on their video, it's black on the sides, and then it's just like them in this little frame. all you have to do is put your phone horizontally. There's no special thing you have to do. Just make sure that your phone is horizontal at all times, no matter what you're recording. Make sure if you're vlogging, if you're doing a sit down video, you're always holding it horizontally, okay? Makes a big difference. Well, I mean, of course, it's just gonna make it look different in the way that, you know, your video looks on camera. So we're gonna move on to apps. I'm not gonna go into depth about any app that I use or anything that I do, because I believe you need to do your own research. The way you like to do things may not be how I like to do things. Your style is not my style. You're your own person. So the way you edit, the way you do things will never be how I do it, because I'm me and you are you, right? Right. But let me help you out though. So when it comes to editing, there are plenty of editing softwares out there. I do not have a MacBook. I have a regular old Amazon Windows computer. The filming software I use is called Filmora 9. It is $40 a year. There are other plans, but I got the most basic plan because that's just what I need in this moment. I will eventually, you know, graduate, but right now, to do what I do and how I do it, I have that plan. There are various what is it called? I'm sorry, you guys. There are various editing apps that you can use to edit a video on your phone. I'm not too hip to them, okay? But there are plenty of videos out there that do have guidance on how to edit off of your phone. So if you don't have a computer at all, you can definitely edit off of your phone. When I did not have a computer for about 2 to 3 months, I edited solely off of my phone, but I was using iMovie. But I don't think iMovie exists anymore, because when I tried to go back and download it, I could not find it and it wouldn't download on my phone. So yeah, but usually the apps on your phone you do have to pay for. So in my opinion, I would recommend you get a computer first. It doesn't have to be a Mac computer, but I recommend you getting a computer first, because it just makes editing a lot easier, in my opinion. Maybe, you know, it's different for you, but in my opinion, editing off a computer is way easier than editing off your phone. So yeah, when it comes to Filmora 9, it pretty much has everything you can do. It has green screen, it has slow motion, it has the zoom. You can add music, you can add videos on top of videos if you're trying to like do reactions. You can add pictures. Pretty much anything you see your favorite YouTuber doing, any type of editing tip, overlays, effects, different text fonts, it literally has everything. Anything you see your favorite YouTuber doing, Filmora 9 has it. I know a lot of YouTubers use Final Cut Pro. I'm not saying I will never get Final Cut Pro, but just right now at the stage that I'm at, I feel like Filmora 9 works perfectly fine for me. One day I'll probably have $300 spent on editing software, but right now all I have is $40 a year, okay? Okay, so after you have your settings right, you have an editor, you need some equipment. You can definitely stack your phone up on shoe boxes, because I've done it before. You can stack it up on books, whatever you can to get it to sit for you to record your video. Or if you want to vlog, you know, you can just vlog. But I do recommend one piece of equipment which has been so essential to me in my whole YouTube little career that I have had. You need like a little mini tripod. You need like a little mini tripod, okay? So this is a tripod selfie stick. This is what I used to record all of my videos on my phone. So you see the tripod, 1, 2, 3, so it sits either on the floor, on a table, on a chair, wherever you need to sit it at, and it's about this long. Okay, so this is for a sit down. So when you want to do sit down videos, or even if you want to vlog, you can hold it like this and boom, vlog. Or you can, you know, do a sit down video, stretch it out. It rotates. So, you know, if you need to face it down and you're trying to show somebody you're doing something, like say if you do nails or something, you're trying to do nail video promos, face it down so they can see what you're doing. Or whatever you like to do. If you do hair and you're trying to face it down so they can see you braiding, bitch, whatever you like to do. It's really good for that. Yeah, so this is just where you put your phone. This screws up and down. This little part right here screws up and down so it can fit whatever type of phone you have. And the good thing that I love about this tripod, I'm gonna have it linked down below where I got it from. I got it off Amazon, but I'll have the exact link for if you guys want to purchase it. It was like $20, like not expensive at all, and I've had it for at least 2 to 3 years. And what I really like about this is that this top part screws off, and when you do get your camera, this little screw right here, it fits, you see right here, this little square right here, it fits the bottom of the camera, and it could be a tripod for your camera. So I didn't even have to buy a new tripod. The only new tripod I would buy is like when I get a really big one. But as far as me just needing something to vlog with, it turned into something for my camera. And another good thing about this tripod, which is so dope and which I love, and a lot of my Instagram models, a lot of my whatevers, you're gonna love this. It comes with a Bluetooth remote. So if you're someone who wants to take your own pictures, it has the remote. So it's rechargeable. It just uses an Android charger, and it fits right here, so you'll never lose it. But if you're someone that wants to start taking your own photos, you will love this, okay? I know y'all see Alyssa Ashley taking her photos with her little remote. That is what you use. So yeah. So okay, so the next piece of equipment that you're gonna need is you're gonna need a USB drive, y'all. And I wish I have done this literally years ago. I just started using USBs. Even now that I have a camera, I still use a USB. You need something to hold the files in your phone. Like when you're vlogging, storage fills up fast. Like when you're filming a sit down video, that storage fills up fast. When I used to record on my phone, every time I filmed a video, if I was vlogging that day, if I was filming a video that day, I literally had to delete everything off my phone. I had no pictures on my phone. I had no apps. I would have to delete Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, everything, my fucking bank app, like Uber. Like I would have to delete Cash App. I would have to delete all the apps off of my phone to record one video, okay? But when you have a USB to hold your video, say like, you know, you vlogged the other day and you recorded a video the next day, but you don't feel like editing that video, so it's on your phone, you need somewhere to hold it so you can have space for you to keep recording. You guys, anybody that know me, that's been around me while I vlog, I will stop in the middle of vlogging and pull out my laptop and take those clips off of my phone and put them on my computer no matter where I'm at. So that's where that determination is going to kick in, guys, because that's where it's going to get frustrating. You know, you're going to always run out of storage, but like if you really want to do it, it won't bother you. But I'm giving you the tea. If you get a USB, I promise it'll make things so much easier on you. Like I guarantee. So yeah. So yeah, that's pretty much it for when it comes to like equipment. As you go farther in your YouTube journey, I would recommend you get a mic. I never got a mic for my phone because I just didn't want to invest in one. I knew that I'd rather work towards getting like my camera where I knew my audio would be better. Now that I have a camera, I want a mic to go with my camera so my audio can be even better. But if you've been watching me since I recorded on my phone, you know the audio is way better off this camera than it was off my phone. So if you want better audio, there are little mini mics. I will link some down below. I used to have one, but I lost it because it really didn't mean that much to me. But I will link some mini mics and stuff down below that you can plug up to your phone while you're recording, and it could be a mic for you. So yeah, that's pretty much it when it comes to equipment. So I'm just going to give you guys a couple of other some apps that you guys can use. So I like to use the app Over for my thumbnails, and the app PicMonkey. Now Over, I like to use Over because I feel like the text fonts and some of the filters are like, I feel like they look a little more up to date than other iPhone thumbnail apps. So yeah, the app Over is really good. I like their fonts on there, and I like the app PicMonkey. Now I use the app PicMonkey to size my photo. So you will put your photo on PicMonkey, click edit, then after you click edit, you go to crop, and you want to go slide this way, and you're gonna see where it says thumbnail, and then just size your image to thumbnail. Another thing that I like to do is I like to go into the app Unfold. I'm not gonna do that because it's gonna make this video super long, but this app Unfold is really good. If you ever see people, if you ever look on Instagram and you see people have like multiple images promoting a video or promoting their business, like maybe it's a video going and a picture here, they do all of that on the Unfold app. I would show you guys how to do it, but you guys are smart. Y'all can do your own research. You know, I had to do mine, so you guys, you're gonna have to do yours. But the app Unfold is really good. If you want like more professional looking Instagram stories, Unfold is a great app. If you really learn how to finesse it and use it, it's really great. I will show you guys because, like I said, you guys are smart. You can do your own research, and I'm still kind of learning the app myself, so I won't be as fluent to really show you guys. And if you want to know, there's plenty of videos out there, I'm sure. Oh, and another thing, this doesn't have anything to do necessarily with the iPhone, but something from this video. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. I love you guys so much. Everybody that wants to start a YouTube channel this year, I hope that you start. I hope that you're consistent. If you're not consistent, you just mean you don't want to do it. It's okay. And if you are consistent, I wish you the best for YouTube. And I hope everything works out in your favor. I hope that, you know, you guys just accomplish your goals. If you're watching this video, I'm sure that means that you're interested in starting YouTube, you know. Just be consistent. Don't get frustrated. If you do get frustrated, it's okay. And just keep going. That's really it. So yeah, and when it gets frustrating, just know one day you'll have your camera. So yeah, I love you guys so much. I hope you guys took something from this. I hope you guys learned something. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in tomorrow's video, because like I said, I'm trying to record a video every day until my birthday. My birthday's Thursday. So yeah, love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. I said that 3 times. It's time for me to go to bed because bitch is tired. I'm tired. I'm fucking